Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. This last weekend, my boyfriend and I went camping for our spring break, and I filmed a little bit, and I would like to share some of the clips with you. We unplugged for about 4 days and really tried to take advantage of everything we could. We had a stream near our campsite, and we were able to drink the water once we had filtered it, of course, and it was such an absolute treat. And of course, we found a natural pool, and so when it got hot, we swam. We were greeted with wildlife almost every day. We saw bobcats. This one in particular we saw as we were leaving the campsite, and it was honestly magical. We got to watch it hunt for some prey after this video was taken, and it was so special. And of course, we were greeted with wild turkeys almost every morning. This morning in particular, we had a loud friend. They were very sweet. Our campsite was so peaceful, and we spent our mornings drinking coffee and, of course, befriending the turkeys. Our favorite was a brave female whom we called Chicken, and she became our friend, Chicken the turkey. Our campsite was huge and one of the most beautiful camps I've ever been to. We were so lucky to have registered for this site in particular. We had no idea what we were signing up for. And what else did we do with our time? We hiked. Our first day, we hiked a killer trail up to the top of the ridge near our campsite. It was 2,300 feet elevation gain in about 3 miles, but 100% worth it for the views. And of course, the company wasn't so bad. We had another sleepy morning, refilling our water from the filtered water from the stream. As we waited for our water to boil for our coffee. We spent most of our time sitting and enjoying each other's company, and of course, watching the turkeys every morning. We hiked the second day to a small river that was so clear you could see the shadows from the water eddies, and they were just dancing along the bottom of the riverbed. It was gorgeous. I hope you all find some time to disconnect for a little bit and to reconnect with the things you love, and of course, the people you love.